say your first and last name and where you're from.
Mike, Ryan from Canada.
All right. And we are doing 2-lap ride along in the 488 with Buddy. And okay to roll up the window. All right. She's getting all angles of the car.
Oh yeah. She loves her pictures, that's for sure. I will.
I'll wait until you go over there before I go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Oh, she's filming. She wants to see everything.
Yeah.
Well, I got that going too. Happy birthday, man.
Oh, for sure. Thank you.
When is your birthday?
June 17th.
All right.
Yeah.
Upstairs now. And have you ever used the paddles before? The paddle shifts? Basically, all it is an automatic. There's just a gas and a brake, and you're controlling the RPMs in which the automatic shifts.
Okay.
All right, she's up top.
Speed limit 200.
Out on this track, we can only get up to about in the 120s because of the 1,800-foot long straightaway here. Wait for a couple cars here. We always try to complete our laps without catching the cars that slow us down. There's nobody out there ripping it up right now, so give them some room. Ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. Here, the orange cones are normally where we brake, and it's just connecting these green cones in the turns.
Okay.
Kind of like connect the dots. We got both of them in two different places. How was that?
That's sweet.
Thank you for coming out.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday, man. I didn't think I'd catch both of them. I gave them a lot of room out there. Yeah, seeing if you come out, this is just your upshift on this side, your downshift here. And usually only shift on one or two straightaways. Up on the big straight, down one, maybe one more downshift at the end of the second. Anybody you want to thank for the birthday gift there?
Thank you to my wife for my little birthday present.
There you go.
Yeah. Thank you
again. You're very welcome. Make sure before you go that the USB goes up to that little video checkout desk.
Okay.